Hello, to turn on call forwarding on your Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all you have to go into this phone application right here and press three dots on the top right corner and go into settings. Next you have to go into the calling accounts and here we have call forwarding. And we have to wait a little bit for the settings to read. If we do it for the first time, it might take a little bit. Alright, and we have four different options to forward the call. We can forward the call always, we can forward the call when busy, when unanswered, and when unreachable. And for example, I want to set forwarding when my phone is unreachable, and I can input here a number to forward the call. When someone is calling and my phone is unreachable, simply the call will be forwarded to this number which you input right here. You can choose a phone number from your contacts, and basically that's it. That's how to set up the call forwarding. Thank you for watching.